All right, everybody. Hello, welcome. Bienvenidos, traveling Costa Rica. Guys, today we're at the Monkey Trail. The Monkey Trail river crossing here between Potrero and Playas del Coco. You can see cars are going to be going across. This is kind of going to be like a showcase of cars that we'll see how they cross this little river here in Costa Rica. Guys, this is number 10 on our stops of the Moto BC tour in Costa Rica. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Like the video, comment on the video, and let us know what you think we should do next for this trip. Guys, before we start this walking tour, let's talk about where the Monkey Trail is.
All right, guys, so if your vacation in Costa Rica is taking you up, starting at the Liberia International Airport, you'll be landing right there. From there, you'll either do your rental car, airport transfer, or however mode of transportation you're going, and you're going to head out towards this way, Sardinal. You'll see there. Now, this road here, Route 911, you'll go through Artola and continue along to Nuevo Cologne, which is very close to where we're standing. And where this video is starting is right here. Now, this will show you the route between Playas del Coco right there and Potrero, which is right there. So the Monkey Trail runs along the mountains through here, and it's kind of a shortcut, as you'll see, rather than going around out through, you see those towns on the outside, Philadelphia, Belén, Huacas. It's a shortcut, but it is also a lot rougher of a road. So here we are, guys, leaving Potrero, just south of where we're going to end up. You can see the roads start getting a little bit constricted as we continue on. Not too much traffic on this trip. Now, as we start going up the hill, you can see they start winding a little bit, and it gets pretty bumpy with the asphalt going across. Watch out for cars at the top of the hills coming across. And we did actually see a Cody Mundi crossing the road. You can't really see it very good there. I tried to get off and film it, but he was in the bush. Now, guys, here we're approaching the first little river crossing. At the time of the season right now, it's not too deep, so we go through pretty easily. Now, if you go off to the right there, it goes up a little embankment and back down into the river. But right now, it looks like they've leveled off the actual river part and made a little go-around area, which is pretty cool. Still pretty bumpy, though, on the Moto BC. In the rainy season, this will be all underwater. You're probably not going to be going around through here unless you're on a boat. Now, here's the main part of the river crossing. Again, dry season, guys, it's easily crossable in every vehicle. Guys, if you want to support the channel and these traveling videos here in Costa Rica, you can buy me a coffee. Link is down in the description below. Puts gas in the tank so we can go to more and more places.
Okay, so there you go. That's where we are. We're between Potrero and Playas del Coco. Now, you saw some shots coming along the way there of the remainder of the Monkey Trail, probably about 10-15 minute drive. Here's a bus going through. Let's see how the bus does. So, guys, one of you guys, we did a river crossing in this tour already, and somebody asked me, why don't I just drive through it? So with this one, I did just drive through, okay? Now, here's the problem with driving through. The exhaust pipe comes out the bottom here on this moto, and it already broke off, and it's currently welded back together. So depending on how the floor is of the river, that'll decide whether or not I drive through, because I don't think driving the hot exhaust pipe through the cold water is necessarily good. Now, we're gonna go walk up here, but I will say this to you guys, it's currently dry season and hasn't rained in a while, and this river has been much higher. I've driven through it when it's much higher in my SUV, and when it's any higher than that, you need a snorkel. Sometimes I'd be standing neck deep in water right now where I am, and I've seen trucks stuck here, seen all kinds of stuff. And as you saw in the video, there was an ATV tour that came through here. That was pretty cool. Now, a car just went up there. So this is the Monkey Trail here. There is the Congo Trail up there. So if this is really deep, you can actually bypass it by going around the Congo Trail. And I've never gone on the Congo Trail, but my understanding is if you spend something like 10 bucks at their little store, that's your access permit. Oh, look, there's a, what kind of lizard is that? That's one of those jumping ones. We'll keep an eye out for any other animals in this area. How's this bus gonna go? Oh, he's siding it. He's trying to clean the tires a little bit. All right. All right. Nice moves. Nice moves, my guy. I like where your head's at. Dude, I want to see somebody just rip through here. Now, this is part of the river, okay? When you come this way, it goes up and over, and there's another little stream crossing. That one's often less deep. Oh, here comes an SUV. Dude, this is amazing. These people are under pressure now. They see me with the camera, and they're like, oh, no. Oh, he's going to come around this way. He's going to come around this way. I got to get out of the way, guys. Sorry to move the camera that fast. I got to get out of the way. There goes a dirt bike. That's what I need. The Moto BC is a joke. I need something that sits higher. Although she's just ripping it up the side there. Here goes a truck. Okay, let's see what the truck does. Truck got big tires. Big tire go vroom. Okay, so there's the depth of it. The guy in the Jeep, he's not about it. He's like, dude, I'm not gonna get my bushings all wet. Why would I do that? Let's go get some shots over here. Guys, you can see how busy it is. People are always on this road. Any animals up here? We saw that Coati Mundi when we were coming in. I'm always keeping an eye out for snacks though. I don't like snacks. So you can see this road here, and I think they leveled it. This often was just river, but it looks like they've been doing some backhoe work. Okay, we got a bus coming through. He's going through the river. He's into the, oh, here comes a big truck. Okay, we're gonna see how the big truck goes. Let's see the big truck, dude. Let's see, buddy. Oh, he's good. He's good. He's good. He's got the low PSI on the tires. He's good. So the other concern that I have when I'm going through stuff like this, like I kind of know the monkey trail is rocky, and you can see here it's like, it's rocky, right? Look at this. But if I don't know what the bottom is, sometimes if it's like sand, I really don't want to get stuck with the BC Moto and have it tip over. So that's why if it's like unknown, if I'm not sure, or if I think it's going to be deep, I just turn the engine off so the exhaust pipe doesn't break again, and just push it so that I can control it a bit better so I don't dump it with all my electronics in there. You can see that's a pretty cool river. Now here comes another SUV. We've seen that. That's boring. That's boring. I want to see something different. I want to see like a sports car or something go through. Let's watch anyway. Let's watch anyway, just in case. Just in case he's a fan. You know, let me know if you guys are on this video. Let me know. I should come. This should be a series. I'll come down to the monkey trail and I'll rate people's crossings. Let's see. I'll give this. Let's see what we're gonna give him. It's clean. It's clean. Very little splash. Very little wake. Clean. I'm gonna give that 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. So guys, let's get on the moto and go up here to Nuevo Cologne and see what that little town looks like. All right, guys. Well, for the sake of why not, let's go do this. Whoa, it's so bumpy. There you go. This is how you cross the monkey trail on a moto. That was just rip it around, and we'll do it again. There you go. Super happy, fun time. My feet are wet. That's okay. Alrighty. So now we will continue up along the way. To a little town up here called Nuevo Cologne. There we go, here we go, little bump skis. I'm just going to stand up because actually I think my legs have better suspension than this motorcycle do. I think that is a verifiable fact. I just had to change the suspension on my car and the bushings were crushed. I'm pretty sure it's from driving on roads like this. Just going a little bit too fast. Just sending it a little bit too much. So we're coming up here to Nuevo Cologne. It's a nice little town. So if you're coming from here to Liberia or Playas del Coco, all the roads from this point on are paved. Better than this actually. So that's the promising thing at least. And there is a little town here with a couple supermarkets in Nuevo Cologne. But we'll jump off right at this intersection and have a peekabooski. All right, guys, so here is where you're going to be looking if you're coming from the area of Coco. This is what you'll be looking for. Oh, what a great time for a horsey to run by with his pet dog. So what's going on here? Marina Charters. All right, that's cool. Flamingo Casino, I guess, is open now. Cowboy. It's awesome. This road here, guys, this road here goes to the Rio Resort, Guanacaste. And there's actually a sign right there for Diamante Adventure Park. And I might be going there soon. We'll do a video there. We'll try to get something in the near future. Now, what are these signs there? You can see that it's 5 kilometers to the left there. And this is Nuevo Cologne. Welcome, bienvenidos. And there's the little store we're talking about. I'm probably going to grab a drinky poo there. And if we continue this way, we'll be going to Coco. That's kind of the final destination in this tour. So if you guys enjoyed that tour, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. As always, leave me a comment, say hello. The BC Moto, man, she's staying with us. I don't know how much life she got left, but we're gonna continue this journey through Costa Rica here. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye now.